If you've been hearing a lot about AI voice agents, you might want to know if Retell AI is truly worth it for your business. In this video, we'll walk through what Retell AI brings to the table, what to watch out for, and whether it's a good fit depending on your business needs. Stick around until the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let's begin with what Retell AI does well. Retell AI builds human-like voice agents using advanced AI technology. That means it doesn't just follow rigid scripts. It can handle natural conversation flows, understand interruptions, reason with context, and respond more like a real person. Many users say the voice quality is smooth and natural, which helps make calls feel more human than robotic. For businesses that deal with lots of customer calls, lead qualification, appointment scheduling, or FAQs, Retell can automate repetitive tasks 24/7 without hold times and without needing a large staff. But there are trade-offs. Retell AI uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model. You pay per minute of voice agent use plus extra for AI and telephony features. For businesses with high call volumes or heavy usage, costs can add up quickly, far higher than simple flat-rate tools. Also, setup can be complicated if you don't have technical know-how. The interface and configuration are more developer-oriented, which can be a hurdle for small teams without technical staff. There are also concerns around support and billing clarity. Some users report difficulties getting timely help or running into confusing charges after the trial period ends. And like many AI-driven voice tools, performance may vary depending on call complexity. Very human-like conversations require careful tuning and testing, especially when it involves interruptions, shifting intents, or multi-step workflows. So, who should consider Retell AI? It's likely a strong fit if your business deals with repetitive voice interactions, like scheduling, lead qualification, FAQ support, or appointment booking. And you want automation that feels natural without hiring more staff. For startups, small agencies, or companies with predictable call flows, it can save time and resources. But if your volume is low, calls are infrequent, or budgets are tight, or if you lack technical support, the pay-as-you-go cost and setup complexity might outweigh the benefits. If you found this review useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you want me to review next. Thanks for watching.